Good morning, y'all. We have our early morning shop. Okay, we have a shop shift this morning. It's not that early. The shop opens at 9, so we need to be there 8:15. So I'm just gonna slap my makeup on and then we're gonna head out. Not a lot of energy this morning because your girl's not a morning person. Okay, after I don't know how many videos with me, you should know this about me. Adrian, come on, cause we gotta go. That's the look. I'm feeling like Jean Grey from a Spider-Man Brand New Day. If you know, you know. And by the time this comes out, that won't be a spoiler. You better have already seen it, okay? But anyways, yeah, the silence in that was crazy, but I don't. Vamonos, hoes. Okay, we're on our way to pick up our curbside for the morning. Well, my husband is. And yeah. Guys, I'm really not a morning person. I need to like wake up, but I will before the first customer comes in. I promise. But yeah, if you like watching my videos, make sure you like, comment, subscribe to all of the YouTube things and follow me on my other social media platforms. Everything is the Catalaniana, so I will see y'all over there. Hola. In the inventory, yes. Strawberry mango lemonade. Made from scratch. Shout out, miss. Morning, bosses. Can never rest here at Cure Coffee. I won't lie, I'm feeling lightheaded, but I'm gonna have a breakfast taco with my friends James and July. I need a coffee. I'm gonna make a cereal milk coffee today with strawberry cold foam because I had that last Sunday and freaking hits. Little ASMR. Yes. And your wife gives you the chancla. Angel. Your mom. Hello, good morning. The banana biscoff?
Yes.
Perfect. Coffee or matcha?
Coffee, please.
Perfect. Is it whole milk okay or do you have a milk preference?
Can I do almond milk?
Almond milk?
Yes.
Perfect. Is that gonna be all?
Yes.
Can I have a name for the order?
Shirley?
I think it's on the bottom. Yeah. No, you're good. Perfect. We'll have it out shortly. Hello.
It's my first time.
No worries. Yeah, let me know if you have any questions. If you like more on the sweet side, I would go for a banana cream top or a cookie butter. And we actually have a secret menu item that is the banana Biscoff latte. So it's going to be the Biscoff around the cup with banana and Biscoff syrup and then banana cold foam on top. And then do you want whole milk or do you have, I'm sorry. I'm like, I'm so tired. Whole milk? Okay, perfect. Sorry.
No, you're fine.
Can I have a name for the order?
Yazzie. Y-A-Z-Z-Y. I love your nails, by the way.
Thanks. Hello.
Hi.
The strawberry coffee?
Yes, girl, you know me already.
Okay, so as I was saying in the first video where you probably couldn't hear anything was that it's super hot outside because we're having problems with our AC. Outside is in the bar area, which is getting fixed right now. So I'm literally sweating, I'm about to pass out. That's how I feel, but I came to the back to make cold foams because we have a mini split back here. Also, we needed cold foams, but yeah. Oh my gosh, she's thick. She is so thick. Yummy. I literally feel like I cannot catch my breath.
I hope I put on deodorant. I don't remember.
No, July came in, she was like, it smells like garlic bread. I'm like, no. No, like, please. There are no cold foam, they just need more ice.
For Eddie?
The rush does not stop. Someone else is getting off their car. Perfect. Hello, welcome in. We can take your order over here. No. It's
right
not
here.
3 shots anymore. Wait, what are you talking about?
It's here, but I dropped
Oh,
it. So I have to go wash
oh,
it.
stays at the
Let me
back.
go wash it.
Okay, agent, take the order real quick. But I know that I'll make it out alive. Bleed until I can't breathe. There's one for Michael. This is a pickup. Hello, welcome in. Everything means nothing if I can't have you. Here you go. And we did only put the 2 shots in one of them. For Cynthia. Thank you. Enjoy. One more for Brenda. You have it? Okay. The next is the pickup. I'm doing David because David's here. This is a matcha.
For Brenda,
They want vanilla cold foam on this one instead of cookie butter?
Yeah.
Okay. David. Well, the pickup, but I'm trying to do David and Karina simultaneously. Okay, only 1 shot on this one. Bye, thank y'all. Okay, let me do Monica. Hello, welcome. We'll be right with you. Oh, and what's this? Cookie butter needs syrup. I'll do the matcha. It's also a matcha? Adrian, that's for Karina. You can milk it. Or not. That's for Karina. You can milk it. Hello, welcome. Oat, almonds. Excuse me. Oh, sorry.
why do you put the things in there?
What things? For Karina? Here you go. Sorry about the wait. David? For David? Oh my god, I almost literally twisted my ankle just now. That was crazy. Thank you. Sorry about the wait. This is Karime?
Yeah.
Karime? Vicente is next. This needs 3 shots. You only 1? Oh no. What's he missing?
It's a strawberry latte.
Okay. Oh my god, who's texting me? More people coming. Hello, welcome. Does this have foam? Vanilla foam. What is Vicente waiting on? Just the croissant?
Yeah.
Or Vicente? We're just waiting on the croissant. It'll be out shortly. This is the last one. You have the one for Ruby? For Ruby? And then just ask her if she wants a cup holder. All right. Cool. Sophie and I are out of here. Sophie, come this way. We made it. The afternoon shift is here. So I'm officially done. Holy shit. A rush is an understatement. That was ridiculous, out of pocket, beyond me. Just beyond me. And now we're going across the street to the Oyster Bar to eat with my parents because we're celebrating my dad's 22 years of sobriety from alcohol today. So that's what we're gonna do. I don't think I'm with the living. I need water desperately. I didn't even get to drink my freaking shift drink, my coffee. So I made myself a strawberry mango matcha. And I'll probably take out an oyster bar with me. Okay, y'all, change of plans. I'm gonna end the vlog here because it's packed as hell and it's 107 degrees. I've said it once and I will say it again. I need to clean up my act because I will not make it in hell. But anyways, I do have my hyperfixation matcha, which is my strawberry mango matcha. And I'm gonna take it in and what or what. And I'm just not realizing I forgot to do a thumbnail for this vlog. Hopefully there's something. But anyways, I'm sorry guys.
Loading?
I'm loading. I'm literally loading. So I'm getting over a summer cold, or like I'm over the summer cold, but when my sinuses act up, I get really bad vertigo because my ear crystal's messed up. It's a real thing, okay? So I'm like really dizzy. I'm feeling really lightheaded. I am not feeling good. But yeah, I'm just excited to celebrate with my family and hang out and be with them. It's always a good time with them. So yeah, thanks so much for watching this video. That is the reality of being a coffee shop owner. It's always crazy, but I'm so grateful and thankful and blessed that it's busy and we have rushes like this. So yeah, thank you guys so much if you've ever supported and stopped by, even if you're not local and you just follow and support. But if you guys are ever in Brownsville, Texas, make sure you check out Cure Coffee. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe, do all of the YouTube things, and follow me on all of my other social media platforms. Everything is The Catalinianes, and I will see y'all next week.
Hey. Who's honey?